Hey guys, Lake Schultz with Exterior Plus Home Remodeling here. It is February and it's warm this week, so it's 47 degrees out right now, and it's going to stay at 47. Kind of our rule of thumb is we won't install vinyl siding if it's not at least 35 and up, just to allow time for that siding to acclimate. If you install siding in cold weathers and it's too cold, when the summer comes around and that siding goes to expand, you can get buckling in the vinyl siding, and it can cause just a multitude of issues where you end up having to redo the siding. So we just don't put siding on if it is too cold out. But like I said, today it's 47, and it's going to be 47 for the next week. So we're over here starting our first siding project of the season, and hopefully, if the weather permits, we're gonna keep going. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some vinyl siding going on, and I'll be doing so all through the season. So here's our first house. I'll give you guys a walk around. Hey guys, Lake Schultz with Exterior Plus Home Remodeling here. Just following up, we're at our first vinyl siding project of the year. It's about 40 degrees right now, so still above kind of our requirement to install vinyl siding. The guys finished up yesterday. It was a really sunny day yesterday, and they're all finished up. So I'm gonna kind of show you what we got going on.